Many lenses, for multiple thread sizes and low prices. But are they any good? Let's find out. Available on both eBay and Aliexpress for $3 to $4. That is not a lot if you want to modify your webcam or security camera. Most webcams and security cameras have either a M7 or M12 thread-sized lens and a field of view up to 90 degrees. Good for most situations. But what if you want to look down a hallway or a deep garden? This lens might be the solution for that. The quality seems comparable to similar lenses I ordered in the past. Might even be from the same factory. It feels heavy and cold, so probably some kind of metal. I do not know how to tell if the lens is made of glass. If you have an idea on how to test that, please do leave a comment. I cannot see an IR filter at the end like most lenses have, but it does have one. I already used this lens before. This is the setup I will use to test the lens. It is a bare USB camera PCB from Aliexpress with a stock lens attached. There are three things I want to test this lens for, which are horizontal field of view, vertical field of view, and low light response. I also need to know the size of my image sensor. A different sized sensor will affect the field of view greatly. So I have the camera in my contraption, and the output is streaming onto the top right corner of this video. The new lens needs to be installed and focused on the target. For a moment I thought I overshot the focus point. There we have it, perfectly sharp. Now let's measure the field of view. Let's turn off the lights. It still sees something. How cool. I need to think of a way to measure the noise in the image in the future. Finally, I need to measure the sensor of the camera. Now let's give it back its fisheye lens. I now take the measurements I have into a CAD program, and then I can just measure up the angles. It seems to be a solid lens with a good zoom factor, and even in low light it can still see something. Please check the description for more information. Thank you for watching.